We recently received the Arduino Uno Q board and decided to connect it with the Arduino App Lab to try out a simple test program. Now, as you know, we already had App Lab installed, just like in our previous video, but as soon as we tried to set up the Uno Q, the App Lab got completely stuck on checking for updates error. We tried reconnecting the board, restarting the App Lab, even rebooting the system. But nothing worked. The setup just froze every single time. After a bit of troubleshooting, we realized it was not just the App Lab, it was actually both an App Lab version issue and Arduino Uno Q image issue. So we uninstalled the old App Lab version, installed the latest release, and as soon as we launched it, again it automatically detected the board and prompted for an Uno Q software update. Once the update completed, everything started working perfectly. The board connected instantly and our code uploaded without any errors. In the next section, we will show you exactly what steps we followed to fix this and get the Uno Q running smoothly with AppLab. We installed the latest AppLab version 1.28 at the time of recording this video and got a pop-up to update the Arduino Uno Q software. In the next section, we will show you how to update the Arduino Uno Q image step by step. Let's download and install the Arduino Flasher CLI. Click on the link in the description. It will take you straight to the official download page. Now, depending on your operating system, choose the right version. Since mine is Windows, I will click on the Windows download option. As you can see, the download has started. Just wait a few seconds for it to finish. Once it's done, open your downloads folder and you will find a .zip file there. Right click on it and select extract all. After extraction, open the folder and that's it. You have successfully downloaded and extracted the Arduino Flasher CLI. Now let's flash the latest image to your Arduino Uno Q. First, short the pins using a jumper as shown in the image and connect the board to your system using a Type-C cable. Next, open the command line interface and navigate to the folder where we extracted the Arduino Flasher CLI. Type Arduino Flash CLI space flash latest. This will download the latest image from the server. Downloading might take 9 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, the CLI will prompt you to proceed with flashing. Type yes to start the flashing process. Here we can see that flashing has been started and it might also take around 10 minutes to complete the flashing. Now board has been successfully flashed. You can now unplug the board, remove the jumper and plug the board again. Open the Arduino App Lab now. You can see that it has detected the board Arduino Uno Q. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the board setup. In the step 1, complete the board configuration. Don't use Uno Q as a board name, as that is the default board name and you will get the error. It's better to select the auto-generated name only. In the step 2, enter your network configuration. Here we got the error connecting. Please try again. So we power cycled the board and restarted the app lab. Select the USB option to connect to the board. And here you can see that it is checking for updates. So we got the pop-up update required. Now click on download and update. So here you can see that it is updating Uno Q software. It might take around 5 to 10 minutes. Now in the step 3, set up your Linux credentials. So here we can see that App Lab is now opened and we are able to see the examples. In the next tutorial, we will show you how to execute those examples. Thank you.